Alright, so we are outside for now in the backyard, taking the boys out and enjoying the sun, enjoying our pool. Oh my, you can't see our pool. Okay, I guess this is the bad thing about filming in cinematic. Can't really show the background. It's really hot today, so we have the AC turned on. That's why you hear this loud noise in the background. But our pool looks so much better. As you can see there, our pool looks so much cleaner. We bought a new pool sweeper, which is that thing right there on there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, this is probably bad to film with the phone during this time, but yeah, we did buy a new pool sweeper, which is that little thing that's in the pool, and it just cleans the dirt that's on the bottom, and it's just really nice. It looks really, really clean and really pretty. So I'm so excited to start using the pool already because I want to start swimming in it and using it because it's actually really, really hot today, and some days ago it has been pretty hot too. So yeah, we're just going to relax for a bit. All right, so I'm actually going to polish my nails out here right now. I'm using this super old nail polish, and this is in the shade Dream Boy. Hello, we are out right now. We are actually going to my mom's place. We're going to see my nephew as always, and you just hang out with the family. It's just a random Wednesday, so we're not doing much. And yes, I still have my little moo drink. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi.
Watch out!
Come on.
Come on.
You want moo? Come here. Hi, Mom. Come on, Jenny. Come here. Mr. Baldy. Okay, Timmy, you want to share? 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 Oh, oh, you tricked me. Alright, so I just got home and this beautiful Dior box is here waiting for me. So thank you to Reza for getting me such a thoughtful little gift. And yeah, she got me some Dior makeup. So I want to show you guys what she got me. Let's open it up. This is so fancy. It's so pretty. It's a little velvet pouch. Oh my gosh. Maybe put the samples in such a cute little bag. I want to show you the main thing that Reza got me. It's this Dior Backstage Glow face palette, and you know I love Dior's Backstage products, especially their foundation. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty in person. Oh, so pretty. This one is the High Color Eyeshadow Wardrobe Long Wear Creamy Powder Palette. Ooh, so we got cute, chic packaging. Then open it up and you get you get these beautiful colors. All right, Dior, step up your game. What are these over here? No, and I also got this cute little makeup pouch. This velvet pouch. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna definitely store my bougie makeup in this Velvet Touch Christian Dior pouch. I love it so much. Thank you, Lovey, for my gift. Oh my god.
Hello, your order has arrived. Thank you for waiting.
Alright, so we are here eating at the Kura Revolving Sushi Bar. I've always wanted to try this, so that's why I'm here eating here today. Jenna here, and Riza here. And what did you get? Oh, Riza ordered something.
Riza ordered something?
Yeah. Anything. This is the Harajuku summer salad. Delicious. And we're ending dinner with some mochi ice cream. We've come to see this little guy. Hello, Chan Chan. You're in your onesie all day?
Riza. Riza. What?
Alright, so I just got these two boxes from Influencer. I knew I was getting this Shiseido box because I got an email about it, but I am surprised to see that I got this Too Faced foundation. So this is a Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. Is this a new foundation that Too Faced just came out with, or is this just like an old one that they're sending out? So yeah, I'm not even sure. I didn't even know. Oh, I didn't even know I was getting this one, but I mean, I'm really happy that I got it. So I'm definitely gonna try it. I haven't tried any Too Faced foundation in a while. The first time I tried one was their very first Born This Way foundation, and I didn't really like it. So I want to give it another chance, see how good this foundation is. But yeah, this is the new Shiseido sunscreen, I believe. Alright, so it's lunchtime and Riza just made me this hash brown with mozzarella cheese, tomato, bruschetta, and I'm also eating some leftover salad from Olive Garden the other day. And yeah, thank you for lunch, love.
I would have heard the click if you weren't yelling at me all the time. I don't know if Toby and I are gonna make it. Marriage is what brings us together today.
Say hi, Sia. This is the host of today's event. We are doing Easter eggs with the kiddos. Hi, baby. Hi. You excited to go get some eggs? This is going to be your second time grabbing eggs. Hopefully you are successful this time. So we are going to be dyeing eggs so the kids can do egg decorating contest. We have the food coloring here, and then Gia is going to pour the vinegar in. Okay, guys. You think you want to pour one color in?
Oh, yes. How many drops?
Gia, you pour one in. Oh, yeah, how many drops should we do?
Maybe one.
Oh, you said a couple, maybe one.
Two. Or three.
Oh, shit.
You have to mix it up. I'm pretty sure if we mix it up, we should get done.
Yeah, you got my hand.
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
I think it's 15.
That's a lot. That's long.
Let's see if this works.
Ooh, cute. Oh, that was really yellow.
Oh. Next to each
Oh,
other?
wow.
Have a hard time.
Guys, got it.
Oh, that one is not as green.
It's okay. Sip.
All right, so we are in the process of hiding eggs, and these ones are super cute. Ah! Oh my God, I keep dropping eggs, but look at this. Super cute.
Of eggs that are on this little patch.
Happy Easter, Channy. Hi, baby.
Get it.
No. Hello. Everybody's eating burgers over there.
Ready and go!
Go! Go grab it! Come on, Jenny!
Okay, this one.
Oh, he's grabbing it. He's grabbing. Oh no, he stepped on it. He just stepped on it. I can't. Oh, let's go over here. Oh, you guys are getting it. Oh!
Don't step on them.
Jenny! Here's the food. We got a variety of food. Sticky rice, ribs, kebab, papaya salad, and some lime. Alright, so as you saw, I just got my allergy shot today. I get it every Tuesday. Riza's here in the car. We are going to pick up her fitness stuff. I don't know what she got.
Kettlebells.
Oh yeah, kettlebells. I totally forgot. But yeah, she got some kettlebells, so we're going to go pick that up from the actual place. And then we're going grocery shopping at Walmart. And we also have to get the boys some food. Got it for today. I think that might be it. Yeah, so we're just doing some errands since it's still pretty early right now. Alright, so it's called Zeus Strong. I think Riza said they changed it to Rose Strong now. Is that right?
Something like that.
Okay, well, she's gonna go pick up kettlebells. I'm just gonna stay in the car for now. Right, so we just got home and I'm grabbing the groceries and putting them away. It's heavy as hell. Ugh. This guy. Who? Boo-boo. Hello, buddy. Alright, so we just put away all the food and we are just relaxing on the couch for now, and then I'm going to be cooking food in a little bit, and then Riza's going to work out, and then after that I'm going to work out, I have not been working out for the past few days now, and it's really bad. And we haven't been walking either, so yeah, I just want to get back on it. I am pretty tired right now. I'm like, I want to take a nap, but I know I shouldn't, so yeah, I'm just gonna lay here for a little bit. Hopefully I don't fall asleep. And then yeah, I'll be cooking. I have to actually wash some dishes and make some rice, and then cook some chicken for tonight's dinner, and then that should be the end of this vlog. Going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next vlog.